Welcome to IB.
Hello, I'm back. So for today, we're going to talk about calculating the VAT. But what is a VAT? In the Philippines, value added tax or VAT is equal to 12%, usually charged on any goods or services. A VAT applies to practically all sales of services and imports, as well as to the sale, barter, exchange, or lease of goods or properties. Again, it could be tangible or intangible. It's either nahahawakan o hindi nahahawakan. For instance, a product for tangible and service for intangible. Next term is a VAT amount. When we say VAT amount, you can get it by multiplying the net amount by the VAT rate. Next term is the net price. Net price is a base price without a VAT. Another term is the gross price. When we say gross price, it is the final price including the VAT. Again, net price without VAT, gross price with VAT. And the VAT is usually here in the Philippines, it is 12% applied in any tangible or intangible. It could be a service, a product, and so on and so forth, as long as there is transaction. Let's proceed. So in calculating a VAT, you need to get the product of your net price. Again, net price. The VAT is not yet included to 12%. And for us to get the gross price, we need to add the net price to the VAT amount. Another formula in getting a gross price, we can use net price plus net price times the VAT. It is the combination of the two. And for us to get the net price, we can use the gross price minus VAT amount. Now, let's apply it at an example. For example, your net price is 2,000 pesos, and we need to look for the VAT amount. So what are we going to do is to multiply the net price times the VAT rate, which is 12% or 0.12. 0.12. So the VAT amount is 240. Now, what about the gross price? So the gross price is we need to add the net price plus the VAT amount, which is 240. So the answer is 2,240. Now, let's use the other formula. This one. So, gross price is equal to net price plus net price times 0.12. So it will become 2,000 plus 2,000 times 0.12. So the answer is still 2,240. What if we don't know the net price and we already know the gross price? Okay, let's try. So let's try this one. So the gross price is 2,240. And then the VAT amount is 240. Therefore, we have the net price of 2,000. And we got it correct. Okay, now let's proceed with another example before your turn. Alright, so let's compute first the VAT amount if the net price is 5,000. Again, when we say net price, the VAT is not yet included. So the net price, 5,000 times the VAT rate, which is 12%. And the answer is 1,800. 1,800. Now, let's calculate the gross price. Let's use this formula. 5,000 times plus 1,800 plus 1,800 because that is the computed VAT amount. The answer is 6,800. Okay, now it's up to you on what formula you are going to use, or it depends upon the problem. Now let's try the other formula. So the gross price is equal to 5,000 pesos plus gross price, which is 5,000 pesos times the VAT rate. 5,000 pesos multiplied to VAT rate. So the answer is still 6,800 pesos. Okay, now it's your turn. Would you mind to do it? For 30 seconds. Your timer starts now. Okay. All right, let's check your answers. So in this case, we need to use the formula in getting the reverse VAT because here the given is the gross price and we need to find the VAT amount and net price. We can do that by using reverse VAT. So what is a reverse VAT? So it refers to the process of finding the net price and VAT amount from a given gross price. This is the reverse of the usual way where VAT is added to a net price. So since gross price already includes VAT, we use this logic. So as we all know, gross price is equal to net price added plus VAT. But VAT is 12% of net price. So we can say that gross price is equal to net price times 1.12. 100% and 12% again. Because we know that VAT is 12% of net price. So meaning net price times 0.12 for us to get the VAT amount. So therefore, it is the representation of VAT is 1.12. So let's proceed now. We need to get the reverse. So in this case, we say that cost price, net price is equal to net price times 1.12. So we need to find the net price. So divided by 1.12 divided by 1.12 and it's cancelled. So we have net price is equal to gross price all over 1.12. So they're in the reverse, but our formula is in reverse, but the formula will be net price goes to equals gross price all over 1.12. And for the VAT amount, we just need to subtract net price from the gross price. Now let's proceed in the problem. So here again, the formula in reverse VAT is net price is equal to gross price all over 1.12. The gross price is 6,720 all over 1.12, and the answer will be the answer is 6,000 pesos. Without the VAT. So what is the VAT amount? So in VAT amount, this is 6,000 pesos. So for the VAT amount, we just need to subtract gross price and then the net price. So it will be 6,720 pesos minus 6,000. So the answer is 720 pesos. The VAT amount is 720 pesos. Alright, now we need to apply what we have learned to our problem. But first thing first is please be reminded of all of this. Please be reminded of this. Alright, so the problem, Jasmine bought a laptop with a net price of 25,000 pesos. How much is the VAT amount and what is the gross price she paid? So given, let's write all the given. Net price, 25,000 pesos. And of course, we know that the VAT rate is 12% in the Philippines. So what do we need to find? VAT amount. And then the gross price. Let's start with the VAT amount. For the VAT amount, we just need to multiply the net price times the VAT rate times the VAT rate. So it will be 25,000 pesos times 0.12. Why? Because 12% is 0.12 in decimal. For the VAT amount, the answer is 3,000 pesos. Now, what about for the gross price? So again, the gross price, the VAT is included. So we just need to add the net price and the VAT. So it will be 25,000 pesos plus 3,000 pesos. And the answer is 98,000 pesos. All right, now it's your turn. Would you mind to do it for 1 minute? For 1 minute? Your timer starts now. All right, time is up. Now let's check your answers. Let's write all the given first. So Yana bought office furniture for a gross price of 16,900, which includes VAT. What is the net price and VAT amount? So our net gross price is equal to 16,800, and our VAT rate, we know that in the Philippines we have 12%. Now, you need to find the net price and the VAT amount. So for the formula, we need to use the reverse VAT. So in order for us to get the net price, we need to divide 1.12 by the gross price. So let's do it. And of course, in getting the VAT amount, it is gross price minus the net price. So let's proceed with the solution. Let's start with the net price. So it will be 16,800 pesos divided by 1.12. The answer is 15,000 pesos. So the net price of the furniture is 15,000 pesos. Now what about the VAT amount? For the VAT amount, the formula is gross price minus the net price. So our gross price is 16,800 minus the net price, which is 15,000 pesos, is equal to 1,800. So meaning the VAT amount is 1,800 and the net price is 15,000 pesos. Okay. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more math lessons. Comment your score from the quiz below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Goodbye.